Trying to get out my back door here. Oh my god. So this is my backyard. This is me trying to get the door open here, go outside. This is insane. That is my bucket, or I should say was. Yep, it's gotta be at least, oh my goodness. I'm thinking 3 feet out here. Yeah, about 3 feet. Winds are still kicking up out here. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. My feet are like freezing. That's crazy. This is actually my laundry room, which is heated. As you can see how thick that snow is out there. Let's leave the fence. There's the fence. I don't think I'm going to be getting out there too soon. Wow. But it's definitely deep.